We got this big step on our pool and it always has a lot of sediment on it, so I got this big pool brush to keep it clean. It says right here that this is the TidyMister pool brush. The thing I like about this brush is it's got the big sides on it, plus it's got a really big brush on the bottom, and it also has a nice curve to it so that I can get in all the nooks and crannies and everything and scrub it up real good. It comes with a couple of different adapters. This is just a standard pool pole, and I can just put it in here. It's got the nice buttons to push to get the nibs down, then you can put it into place, and then I can just put it in the pool and start scrubbing. You can see how it gets underneath the nooks and crannies really well in the corner of the pool too. Yeah, I like this big step, but it is a lot of work to keep it clean. So it's really nice to have a big pool brush like this that I can scrub it with. I really like the big brushes on the side so they can get into the corner really good, into the edge of the step, so I can scrub everything up really nice. But yeah, I really like this pool brush. I like how I can get in there and scrub everything up really good with this brush.